Noise can be defined as any change in the atmospheric pressure detected by the human ear. It is characterized as an unpleasant or unwanted sound, and its characterization can be performed through frequency content and amplitude. The exposure of urban populations to noise is one of the main factors of environmental stress impact on public health. According to World Health Organization studies, noise significantly affects populations' health and quality of life, being responsible for losing about 1.6 million healthy life years annually in the European Union. The human ear is composed of the outer ear that captures the airborne sound, channeling it to the eardrum through the middle ear, consisting of a set of ossicles that transmit the vibration of the eardrum to the inner ear, transforming this vibration into nerve impulses that are carried to the brain by the auditory nerve. The audio system can capture sounds with frequencies from 20 Hz to 20 kHz by assigning this range as the audible range. Sounds at frequencies below this range are called infrasound, and above this range, ultrasonic. The most used equipment in the noise analysis is the sound level meter, which measures the noise in decibels, weighing the various frequencies in a manner similar to the human ear. It is possible to obtain indicators with the sound level meter well adapted to the human response to noise. Noise is generally caused by mechanical vibrations producing sound waves that propagate through the air, being road traffic one of the main sources. The impact of this noise can be minimized by building noise barriers or other obstacles interposed between the source and the effective sensitive receivers, such as homes, schools, and hospitals. Regarding environmental noise, Portugal offers an advanced regulatory framework, which highlights the general regulation of noise. Much of our time is lived inside buildings and in workplaces. Excessive noise can cause hearing loss, risk of accidents, loss of productivity, and other diseases. Portuguese corporate skills allow us to find solutions for improving the sound of the environment, to monitor and minimize the impact that noise prints on quality of life. The technical and technological training, combined with comprehensive know-how, allows us to monitor continuously urban noise, acoustic emissions, industrial noise, and vibrations from trains, noise from power lines, wind farms, roads, and airports. Buildings should be equipped to provide protection from outside noise, the noise from other areas of the building, and at the same time, ensure adequate acoustic privacy levels. The acoustics should be adapted to each room, providing comfort, intelligibility, and listening conditions. In industry, it is possible to apply solutions that enable the development of quieter machines, industrial silencers, acoustic booths, roofs and walls for the sound absorption, offices and cabins soundproofed, and acoustic ports control. Residential, commercial buildings, museums, theatres, auditoriums, offices or industries should be subjected to technical constructive intervention to provide good acoustics. Portugal has a demanding legislation called the Acoustic Regulation Requirements for buildings. There are several fields of intervention where the highly qualified Portuguese business can act, from complex and manufacturing units audiovisual industry, landscaping, underwater acoustics, automobile, railway, aeronautic, aerospace to medical applications such as speech therapy or ultrasonic methods. Noise map technology, achieved through computer-modelled maps, has seen great development in Portugal over recent years and is in fact one of the services in which Portuguese companies in this area stand out in the international panorama. In the area of acoustic materials, manufacture and installation of equipment for noise reduction, Portugal also has a strong capacity, largely higher than the size of the national market and fully qualified for export, not forgetting the materials derived from cork, of which Portugal is the world's largest producer, as well as the specialized engineering companies that manufacture industrial soundproofing and equipment, whose export has increased in recent years.